In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new task in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to confidently add tasks to your Jira project and make sure all the important details are captured clearly. First, open your web browser and log into your Jira account. Once you're on the main Jira dashboard, look for the option to select your project. Click on the project where you want to create the new task. This is important because each project has its own set of issues, boards, and configurations, and you want to make sure the task appears in the right place for your team. When you're inside your chosen project, look towards the top of the screen for the button that says Create. Click on that. This will open a new issue creation window. In Jira, a task is a type of issue, so think of this window as the place where you define exactly what needs to be done. At the top of this window, you'll see a field labeled Project. Make sure it's set to the correct project. Just below that, you'll find the Issue Type field. Open the drop-down menu and select Task. If you don't see Task, your project might be using a slightly different configuration, but in most standard setups, Task will be one of the options. Next, you'll see a Summary field. This is the short title of your task and should capture the main point in a clear and concise way, like Update Homepage Banner Image or Prepare Monthly Sales Report. Underneath the summary, you have the Description field. Here, you can go into more detail about what needs to be done, why it's needed, and any specific requirements or links your team should know about. The clearer your description, the easier it will be for whoever picks up the task. You may also see additional fields such as assignee, priority, or labels, depending on how your Jira is configured. If you can, assign the task to the appropriate team member and set a realistic priority to help with planning and workload management. Labels can be useful for grouping related tasks and making them easier to filter later. Once you've filled out all the required fields and any optional ones that are helpful, review the information for accuracy. When everything looks good, click the Create button at the bottom of the window. Jira will save your new task and add it to the project. You've now successfully created a new task in Jira, and it's ready to be tracked, updated, and completed by your team.